Here's how to turn off Advantage plus Audience in Facebook Ads Manager. First, open Meta Business Suite and go to Ads Manager. Next, click on the Campaign section from the left side. Here, open the campaign that you want to edit. You can create a new one, or you can edit an existing ad set. The process is very similar in both cases. Once you're inside the ad set settings, and if you are on Publish Page, go back and then scroll down until you reach the Audience section. Here, you'll see Advantage plus Audience if it's enabled. To turn it off, click Switch to Original Audience Options. A pop-up window will appear. Select Further, limit the reach of your ads option, and then click Continue. After that, Advantage plus Audience will be disabled, and you'll be able to manually configure your targeting options, including your location, age range, gender, interests, and other audience settings. If you've previously created a saved audience, you can also select it from this page. If you ever want to enable Advantage Plus again, simply choose the Advantage Plus Audience option. Keep in mind that some campaign objectives automatically require Advantage Plus. If you don't see the option to turn it off, it's likely because you're using a campaign type that only supports Advantage Plus. In that case, you'll need to create a standard manual campaign instead of an Advantage Plus campaign to access manual audience targeting. That's all for this video. Thanks.